Apple CarPlay helps you safely use all the things you love about your iPhone while you drive. Use Maps navigation features. Receive and send messages and emails. Make calls. Listen to your favorite music and more. Setting up Apple CarPlay on your Acura is simple. Plus, you have the choice to use wireless or wired connectivity. For best results, Acura recommends that you ensure that your iPhone is using the latest software. To use wired connectivity, use an approved USB cable and plug it into your iPhone and into the USB data port of your Acura. Once plugged in, the touchscreen will ask if you would like to use Apple CarPlay. Select Yes. On your phone, select Pair and accept other permissions as needed. To use wireless connectivity, select Apple CarPlay on the touchscreen. Then select Connect Phone. Then select Connect New Device. Turn on Bluetooth on your iPhone. Then search for the name of your vehicle shown on the touchscreen. Once it appears, select it. If a pairing code appears, confirm that the number is the same and accept it. Your iPhone will then ask if you want to use CarPlay. Select Use CarPlay. The touchscreen will ask if you would like to enable Apple CarPlay. Select Yes. You can also select if you want it to be the priority device. A message will appear confirming your sign-in. Now your iPhone will connect automatically for CarPlay anytime you start your Acura and have your phone with you. If you're having any issues with wireless connectivity, make sure Bluetooth is turned on your phone. Make sure your phone isn't being used as a hotspot. And if you want to remove your phone from wireless CarPlay use, go to Bluetooth Audio. Then select your phone. You can then select Disconnect or select Delete Device. Connecting to and using Apple CarPlay is just one of Acura's amazing technology features. To learn more about all of the Acura lineup, visit the Acura Info Center at acurainfocenter.com.